Guys, it's motherfucking Javid. Just started my YouTube channel. As you see, we have motherfucking 42k coins. 42k, should I say. You know, it's my team right here. You know, we got Mike Remmers. Nasty card. He's alright. And boom, bitch. We're Robert Mathis. Here we go. This is my team. 84 overall. We're going to be opening some pro packs today. 42k. So let's fucking dive in. You know, the Easter promos came out. Leonard Hankerson. See, like, I don't know if any of these people are good or not, so I'm just going to fucking fly by all these packs. Alright. Kenny Vaccaro. Fucking blow. See, I'm not as good as, like, all those other Madden players. Kelvin Beckham. Let's see if what sold. Let's check what sold. Oh, Elite Trophy. Alright, we can do more cards. I mean, not more cards. I'm a dumbass. More pro packs. Colin Kaepernick. Oh, Donovan McNabb. Let's go. I don't even know if that's worth anything, but let's freaking go. Oh, we got an Easter collectible again. Nothing there. Alright, pro pack time. Mark Ingram. Easter collectible. Yep, I know it. Alright. Last pack. Did we get that guy? Alright, guys. That'll be it for the video. I'll be making another probably pack opening later on. See you guys later.